Now is the time to buy altcoins. Pretty much. Okay, all right, let me back up for a second. We are this close. We are so close to what I would consider a perfect place to strike when it comes to buying altcoins. But if I could back up a little bit, okay, I have been this entire time, I have been saying this over and over again. I am not DCAing, I'm not buying the dip. I'm waiting for the perfect opportunity to buy crypto. I had a lot of stables on the sidelines. I am slowly nibbling away. I bought a little bit last week, a little bit this week, but when it comes time to strike, there are certain things that I'm waiting for. And I've just been sitting here waiting with my stables patiently for the time. And in the meantime, I have been waiting and looking for opportunities to short, and my shorts have done well up until last week. So up until Sunday, last week, I had close to a 100% hit rate on my shorts, and then Sunday kind of messed things up. And then this week, one thing that I've noticed is that there are certain levels that I'd be looking at for different cryptocurrencies, and I would want to short at those levels, and then I'd enter on some of them, and all of a sudden some of those shorts are getting stopped out. And why is that? It's because a lot of these cryptocurrencies are finally breaking their downtrends. And so what's that mean? Okay, if you look at the total 3 market cap, the total altcoin market cap minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, what you would see is that it is starting to show some strength, and it is breaking its downtrend. We had a daily close yesterday for the first time in a couple months above a key trend line, a key level of resistance. We're seeing that with the others chart. Others is the total altcoin market cap minus the top 10 non-stable coin cryptos. But we're starting over the last 24 hours, we have seen this play itself out with several different cryptos, with the right cryptos. What do I mean by the right cryptos? With cryptos that are a little bit older, that have more strength because there's more historical confluence in the charts for levels of support. And so just real quick, I made a quick list of cryptos that are starting to show strength that over the last 24 hours, we've seen them break through these downtrends. Solana being a key one, broke through an aggressive downtrend and had a daily close above that downtrend. Bitcoin Cash, which you may not care about Bitcoin Cash, but the fact that Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic actually are showing strength right now, that is to me a very good sign that a reversal is imminent. So Bitcoin Cash had a massive candle up to $395 and then showed a little bit of weakness at its 200-day moving average, but I think it's going to break through that sometime soon. Like I said, Ethereum Classic, another OG, Dogecoin, and then a few more, Elrond, Filecoin, Gala, and ICP. These are all on a list of cryptocurrencies that I like to monitor to see, okay, there are certain levels where I think it's good to short, but then if it breaks through these levels, that's a time that I want to pause on all of my shorts, because these may be the kind of canary in a coal mine cryptos. These may be the leading ones that would then cause a lot of other cryptos to follow. Some smaller market cap cryptos, some newer cryptos, and I am wondering if that's going to be the case. And so, like I've said, I've been shorting a great deal over the last month or two, and then really, over these last 24 hours, I am slowing down significantly on my shorts. And am I looking for longs? Yeah, I am, but it's more so I'm in a waiting period when it comes to my trades. And so I'm just going to wait. I think what's going to happen next is that we are going to continue to see some strength in the total altcoin market cap, the total 3. With the total 2, we're this far away. So what's the difference between total 2 and total 3? Total 2 has Ethereum in it, and Ethereum's been hemorrhaging lately. But I don't know, I read this online. I think it's true. The hacker, the Bybit hacker who stole $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum has completed their cells. I can't verify that. I don't know where to verify that. I saw that on the internet, so it must be true, right? I'm saying that a little facetiously. But if that's true, then Ethereum may show some strength here, and that could cause the total 2 chart to also break through its downtrend. Personally, for me, I am waiting for that breakthrough on Total 2, and then I'm waiting for a back test of that trend line, and then I'm going to unload a great deal of stables into cryptos. My intention is to start with dinosaur cryptos, a lot of the ones that I just named, looking for back tests, but also something like a VeChain, what else? I don't even know. I mean, I think ISOs are going to do very well. Although those have been in a range, they have not been in downtrends. So things like that. And then I'll definitely be rotating into smaller caps and meme coins if this is how it plays itself out. Now, I want to be clear about something. I am still agnostic as to whether what comes next is just simply a retrace, an upswing in altcoins, or if it's a big move to new all-time highs. And so what I'm going to do, just like I did in December, and just like I sold 40% of my crypto in December, I'm going to let the market lead me. I'm going to look for higher highs, a series of higher highs and higher lows, and then I'm going to, at any point of weakness, I'm going to be selling a lot of crypto that I'm buying sometime here soon. And whether that's just a move to a lower high in the total altcoin market cap, lower than its December peak at least, or whether it's a move to new all-time highs in the total altcoin market cap, my intention is to either sell when I see weakness or when I see 1,000 people in my TikTok live streams, which has been a peaking indicator. And I'm dead serious about that. I am selling. If I see 1,000 people in my TikTok live streams, I'm selling like 80 or 90% of my crypto. So with all that being said, there's one other thing I want to say, and that is I have a slight concern. There is a big crypto summit event going on Friday. Today is Thursday, the day that I'm making this video. And I'm hoping that there's not a sell-off after that crypto event. And if it's a big sell-off, then okay, we're going to have to wait a little bit more to see some strength in the charts. But if not, if we just kind of go along as if this event was never happening, then I would be pretty eager to be buying probably sometime starting next week. And so you're probably going to see me make several different videos talking about, like, begging you guys, just like I did in August, just like I did after the August bottom, within a week of the August bottom. Here we are about a week after the February-March bottom, and I made videos in August begging you guys to buy altcoins. It may be that around next week, a few days from now, that I'll be making those same videos pleading with you. Now is the time to buy altcoins. As of now, I'm waiting just a little bit longer, okay? But anyway, that is all I have for today. I'll see you in another video. Peace.